You don't even know what it is, so why would I be jealous
Yes, I do. As far back as I can remember. I always knew I deserved to be dead.
I'm more the kind of guy that would be dead.
You're jealous.
That's just my kind of thing.
Well, I'd better get changed into my Sunday best.
Did that fall out of your right knee?
So what happens now?
Well, I couldn't see any money in your records, so I've just put you down for a basic no-frills service.
For what?
For the funeral, silly.
I don't want you. I want my best friend.
I'm not your best
Hey,
friend.
look, just speak from the heart.
He's a nice guy. He's the smallest one.
Tell them about the tournament.
It's actually really nice.
Hey, wow, I didn't like that. Now, before we say goodbye forever...
I don't like any of them.
Hey.
I want the old one back. The world is... Ugh, claymation.
Don't say that. Hurt his feelings.
So what happens now, then?
That's it now. It's just this.
Is it? Okay.
Look, guys, I'm getting my core values. Honesty, the spirit of adventure, finance.
Stop it.
Yeah, that's not really the. Look, if you want to look at stuff, just tell me, and I'll make a list of where you should and shouldn't
Seems
look.
like a weird system.
Yeah, well, you seem like a little thing with. Even the other guy at least had his own clothes.
I don't have clothes.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to have clothes. This is how I look.
What's that? What's that smell?
Oh, yes. Turns out I did need the toilets, actually. Quite a lot. Maybe that's what the tally was for. Oh, here I go again.
No. Ugh. Right, that's it. I'm done. I don't have to put up with this.
But I'm dead. So, you replaced me with this thing.
But there's only supposed to be 3 of us.
Sometimes we have too much fun. We have to go to
Actually, no.